Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating to you how to install WAMP server. So you can begin by going to the WAMP server website and you can download the file here. So I chose option of WAMP server 32-bit, which is compatible to my computer system. So after you have downloaded the file, you can open it up, and it is going to open up into the WAMP server setup wizard. So you're going to choose next and you're going to accept the agreement and click on next. So this is where the file will be stored, so we're just going to click next. Yes. And we want to create a desktop icon, so you're going to click on that checkbox and click next, and we're going to install. I'm going to wait for the files to be extracted. So I just pause the video down. So now we're going to click open to choose the browser that we want the application to run in. And as you can see here, it's just finishing installing, so we're just going to wait a little. Just going to click next and finish.
More